blade don't curve, would you still? If I'm in my mind at work, would you still? Keep it 100, I'd rather you trust me than to. Keep it a whole 100, don't got you, I got nothing. Hey, I got something. Hold up, we gon' function. No assumption. Feeling like Tyson.
Okay, people, we are here to see this lady become a doll. She took out her Nivea, and she rubbing it in her face. Now she's rubbing, she's looking good. Let's see what she's doing. She got something on her neck. I don't know what the neck gonna do. She must be gonna be dolling up her neck too at the same time. Okay, now she's got this ball. What is she gonna do with it? Oh, she's painting. And she's painting. She didn't turn a different color, man. This is some real artwork right here. She's putting stuff around her eyes. She gotta get it on her nose though more. She's like a two-tone. She's like a paint job right now. What's she doing? She's rubbing. I don't know. To me, it looks like she got smooth skin. She just, you know, this is how the pretty become prettier, I guess. With her pretty self. Now she got a pencil. Don't hurt yourself, baby. Don't hurt yourself. Look at her. She putting them on there too, man. She going to work with that pencil. She filling in the blanks. She's like a test. She's doing a test, man. She getting an A on this test. Look at her. Then drew them eyes on. Now she taking something. What's she doing now? She's becoming an eagle. She's becoming an eagle doll. I don't know what she's becoming an eagle for. What the eagle gonna do? Now she look like that's a whole nother shade of color. Like, goddamn, what you gonna become, man? You gonna be three-tone in a minute. She doing some voodoo. That's what she's doing. She's doing voodoo. Everybody hide your kids, hide your dogs, hide the chickens in the house. Wait a minute, she's rubbing. She's rubbing again. Oh, she's not an eagle no more. What's she doing? She patting it in her face. Oh man, the magic powder, the magic voodoo powder then became something else. Check her out, check baby out. Looking good. Let her do it. You can do it. Do it. You know you want to do it. You can do it. Look at her, looking good and stuff. The magic powder then gave her another shade tone, whatever that is right there. This is crazy, you know. This is better than watching a video on Michael Jackson doing a walk around here. Look at her with her hair sticking out with her little devil horn. She is a little devil. Uh-oh, another color. Another color. Hey, anybody, don't she look like some Cinnamon Toast Crunch right now, you know? She looks so delicious. Look at her. She powdering in. Your little powder donut. Look. Now look at her. What's she doing now? She's rubbing again. It's a lot of rubbing going on with this process. It's like, goddamn, how many times you gonna rub your face? Now she's taking a brush and she's brushing her face. She's doing that pretty fast. She got a magic marker. What's this magic marker gonna do? She filling in some more blanks. This is some crazy stuff right here. And she talking. What you talking about? She must be talking about them hamburgers she had earlier. Yeah. Look at her. She's brushing again. She's brushing. Ladies, make sure you go fast enough to brush in that stuff, whatever it is, because whatever it is, it's working some type of magic. This is like the best magic tricks I didn't see ever. Ever. This is how the beautiful become the beautiful is. Or is that a word, the beautiful is? Look at it. Look at it. What's she doing now? Why she keep rubbing? The brush is for your hair, baby. The brush is for your hair, not your face. What's going on with you? Don't get it in your hair, because then you're going to have to take a shower and wash all of it off your face. Okay. You rubbing your nose. Don't dig in your nose on camera, baby. I don't want you to look like that. Oh, man. She's doing that little face. She looks like one of those little Whoville dolls, don't she? My little Whoville. Now she's taking another thing and she drawing some well, I don't know what you call that part of your body, but whatever part of the eye is that she drawing it on. She doing it in a straight line too. And the only time a black person can draw in a line is drawing some eyes. She's a Mexican. She has to be a Mexican. How she doing it? You know the Mexicans always draw their eyes. I don't know why they cut their eyebrows off me. Oh, she's winking. Now she's shading. Now she's shading. She should have been an artist doing all this. She could take a 5-piece and turn it into a dime piece. You know, you need to book her fella. You need to book her fellas for real. Now what she doing? She's shading it. Look, all coming together, all right and stuff. Uh-oh. Now she's blowing. Come on, blow for me. Now she's placing these things on her eyes. And they sticking. Also, that stuff must have been glue. Okay. They sticking. Check her out. How she do that? She did it perfectly too. That take practice. She must have been doing this since she was 5. She got it perfect. She kind of looked like Minnie Mouse. Now she's showing all these colors. And I don't see no gold. I don't see none of that. And I'm trying to figure out, how did she get all these colors from that color? Because when I was in school, when I used to mix and match colors, I used to mix blue with red and red with green and all that, and it'd come out with all kind of colors. And I ain't never seen it turn out to be gold. She like this old pretty gold woman. Look at her. Check you out, Cinnamon. That's what we gonna call her today. Today her name is Cinnamon. Cinnamon with the flowers in your head. Flower girl. What she keep talking to herself for? I wonder what she talking about. Takes a lot of concentration. Look at her, so innocent. Now she putting on lipstick. I see her do this all the time. This is a normal. She used to eat the lipstick. I don't know if she still do. Yeah, that look good. Go ahead, get that lip right there. Get that part. Girl. You can do it. I want to do it. Yeah. Look at her. Oh, dog. Look, conceited. Look at her. Look at her. Look at me, bitch. I know that's how she talking with her mean ass. Check baby out.